Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will draw a cat and I will take you with me. First things first, I have applied a layer of watercolor for the underpainting. This way the colored pencils will look more vivid and I get more flexibility with the highlights. Then I get to the shading part. I'm defining the fur through hatching motions, but they don't have to be perfect. I'm just placing layers upon layers of colored pencil until the fur is really defined and it looks good for the next step. Now for the highlights. I come with a thin layer of acrylic paint in all the bright areas. Now I come with white jelly roll pen for all the small strands. By the end, I want more defined contrast, and I'm doing that by adding more shading. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Any form of support truly means the world to me. See you next time. Bye bye.